A first-year student at Binghamton University was stabbed to death on campus Sunday night. 19-year-old Joao Souza was stabbed around 10:30 p.m., according to a university statement. The university released a photo of the suspect, who is being described as a light-skinned male wearing dark pants and a dark Puma hooded sweatshirt. Investigators say it doesn't appear to have been a random act. Binghamton University released multiple tweets the following day, reporting that the student had died and that the suspect is still at large. All classes were canceled on Monday, the day after the incident. This is the second student death at the school in a little over a month. In March, Binghamton student Haley Anderson was strangled to death at an off-campus residence, according to Pix 11.